So we got some chalk, and the chalk came in this bag. And so I was thinking that it might be fun to make a mask out of the bag. So I'm going to show you how to do that. First of all, I cut the sides out of the bag so that it would fit down onto my shoulders a little easier. Now I'm going to put the bag on. And let's see, I'm going to grab a marker, or you could use a pencil or anything. It might be hard to hear me while I'm under the bag. But I'm going to put it over my head, and I'm going to make a mark where my eyes and my mouth are. Can you hear me through here? Okay, I'm kind of feeling for my eyes. And here's my mouth. Okay, so I made my marks. Now I'm going to decorate my bag. And I have a few things. There might have been some pipe cleaners in your bag. I have some markers. I have some string. I have some little tags. All of these things on my work desk here. So I'm going to kind of lay everything out and see what I come up with for a mask. So here's my finished mask. And if you remember, I started with just 2 dots and a smile. I cut out those spaces so that I can see and talk through my mask. And then I used my string and my paper pipe cleaners to make crazy hair, because that's how my hair is feeling these days. And I just kind of had fun with my markers. Now, you boys and girls can make your mask however you want. So you might want to make it look like you or someone in your family. Could be even make it look like your pet or a favorite animal, or a movie character or a video character. Anything you want. It could be a robot, anything you want. But you want to make sure you cut out a space so you can see and you can talk when you're wearing it. But have lots of fun. I just use tape and glue. You can get as fancy as you like.